YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the foldable trailer I bought for my motorcycles. I bought it at Harbor Freight. It's the 1,720 pound capacity trailer. I will leave the link to it in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. So today I'm going to do the unboxing here in the garage. I read a lot of the reviews and comments on the Harbor Freight site, and the one thing they all had in common was the instructions weren't great, the parts weren't marked, and all of the hardware was just thrown into one bag and nothing was identified. So what I'm going to do in this unboxing, I bought a canvas drop cloth to put down on the floor because I don't want to scratch my nice epoxy floor that I did. So what I'll do is I'll set the camera up, put it on the box. I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to sit here for hours watching. So I'll do the unboxing. I'm going to try to arrange the parts out on the floor, kind of where they go. And on my table here, I'm going to try to separate all the hardware and kind of lay it out and get it set. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. And after the next video after this one probably will be, maybe I'll throw a vlog in there, but I will be getting to the assembly of this trailer, and I'm going to kind of go step by step, and maybe some of it will be sped up, but hopefully it'll help anybody out there if you're looking to assemble a trailer like this. And I'll let you know any problems I encountered, anything I think could be better. And that's going to be the assembly of the basic trailer. And then the video after that will be me customizing the trailer to haul motorcycle. So I am going to get into this now. I'm going to set the camera up and I'm going to have it on what I'm doing. And you can see me unboxing stuff, taking it out. And like I said, at the end of the video, I'll pan over everything. I'll do a quick review. I'll let you know what I thought of the condition of the parts. If it seems any parts are missing, show you how all the hardware lays out. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd appreciate it very much. All right, so here's all the parts laid out on the garage floor. Like they did say in the comments and everything I read, that the parts are not labeled. So they're not labeled. I do agree with that. But what you have to do in the instruction manual is, you see how they have the bolt holes and patterns? You kind of got to match up the holes in the pieces to the diagram. I don't find it difficult, but some people might. So hopefully this video, when I assemble this, is going to help everybody. And there's also a parts list. So once I laid everything out, I went through the parts list that comes in the instructions, and I made sure it looked like I had everything, which everything looks good. All the nuts and bolts were kind of separated in bags a little bit, but what I do when I do an installation or an assembly, first thing I do is I'll lay all my parts out, separate them, get a rough idea if everything's here, what screws are what on the installation manual for the parts list, determine which one's which, and they're numbered. And then when you do your assembly, it will give you the number that corresponds to the part. So once you've identified it, makes it very easy. It appears as though everything is here, and I did read some comments that the paint came out of the box really scratched up and everything, but not the case with this one. All the paint and everything seems to be in really good condition. The bearings are pre-packed with grease. Not sure whether or not I'm going to open them up and repack them myself with a higher quality grease. Not sure. There is a grease fitting on there, so maybe I could just pump in some high quality grease. We'll see what happens with that. And the other things that I've bought, I got some Loctite. Somebody made a comment that their lock nuts are terrible and they don't actually lock and hold. I know this is a Harbor Freight product, so I imagine the quality of the hardware isn't super duper. So maybe I'll put some blue Loctite on the bolts also, just for safety's sake. We'll see. And then I also bought this Max Flex clear top coat. What I'll do, instead of trying to match the paint and put paint over all the bolts, which I'm sure if they get wet, they'll rust. They're probably not stainless or anything. So what I'll do over the bolts is I'll spray a little clear coat over them, and that may slow down any rust that wants to happen. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video with Motorcycling with Carl. And the next video I do, like I said before, maybe I'll squeeze a vlog in there, not sure. But the video of the assembly of this trailer will be coming up. So we'll assemble the basic trailer, get it set, and then after that, I'll have a video doing the customization to haul a motorcycle. All right, so until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.